In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. It should be in Samsung folder. Then tap on Allow in all available pop-ups and when you finished, click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click the same button. To add a bookmark, click on this icon with a plus. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it and click play button on the left. And to end it and save it, square one on the right. Now name it and hit save. As you can see, my recording is over here. To play it, click on it. And to get rid of it, hold it, select Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!